gently ease out of the posture. Oof.
Namaste, yogis.
It's Goga, kinda like yoga. 2 years in the game, 78 postures later, it is clear hip openers are the big boys or girls in yoga. From sitting ones, lunges, squats, goddesses, hamstring stretchers, including the inversions. With this foundation, I'm convinced that we are ready to take a 90-day journey towards the mother of them all. They call it Hanumasana, monkey, or as most of you know it, the splits. Enjoy the ride.
Oh,
gently release, and then I'm going to roll my mat here, get some socks just to help me get a bit of slide, your blocks and maybe some cushion, and then so that you can find the split on the left side. So you can find some bit of stiffness here, but keep supporting the entire weight on the blocks, and you can keep sliding your right knee with the help of the cushion or a rug or something that is very slidey against a slippery floor, and then keep supporting the weight of the toes on the block. So let's switch sides. I'm going to move a bit quietly and slowly here. So again, you bring your left knee to the cushion and then keep sliding the back knee more. So the socks actually help you get this bit of a slidey feel, especially when you're against a slippery floor or a surface. And you can even get a rug or something that is very, very mobile against a floor. And then the socks actually also help you just get that bit of a push. And then you can now keep sinking your hips even lower towards the ground. And you want to use the weight of the torso, just be able to sink the hips slightly in. And you can use the support of the blocks just to be able to support the entire weight of that body as you sink your hips even a little bit lower. And then just stay here, holding it here for a while, about 90 seconds, inhaling and exhaling. And you can keep sinking lower, trying to get the thigh. So it's a bit stiff today. The practice has been very stiff today, but we'll see what happens on day number next. You can even kiss your knee here, just be able to give yourself a bit of a stretch. Oof. And then keep melting the hips even lower, bringing in that nice push of the hips, and you want to do it gently, so go easy. So try easy, don't push yourself so hard. And you can even drop your head back and then gently glide out of the posture. Oof. Give your thighs a massage. Thank you so much. Namaste. Bye guys.